So this US dollar CAD analysis for Wednesday, the 13th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices, where prices may likely go. So previously we encountered quite a bit of resistance in around that 130 level, after which we did encounter some resistance in around that 130.50. And what we are seeing now is we're seeing a break of that 130 level. So we are seeing that break of the 130. We've seen a buy side upside continuation here. We are seeing a pretty strong move here to the upside from this 130. So if we can break and hold above the 130.50, we're looking to see how prices react to our previous so it was around 130.60 anyway, wasn't it? Yes, it was in around at 137.65, 70. In around at 130.70 was. So previously we had a swing here in the market in around at 130. Let's say 130.70. So we'll see how prices react towards that level. But we've had a successful break of the 130 level. We haven't had a retest, but we do seem poised for upside momentum continuation. So if we can break and hold above the 130.50. We're then looking to see how price react around the 131, and if we do see sufficient volatility to the upside beyond the 131, the very next level of note beyond the 131.20, our previous highs of 2018, would be a move up towards that 131.88 here on the US dollar CAD. If, however, we do see a turnaround in prices here on the US dollar CAD from where we are at present, we'll look to see whether 130 does hold its support for a move back to the upside. And if we do fail to hold support in around at 130, we're looking for a sell side momentum to potentially take us back down towards that 129.44. Don't anticipate 129 coming to focus here on the US dollar CAD. I reckon it's a bit too far out of the range. So if we do turn around and we're not able to hold support at 130, we're looking to see our price react towards at 129.44 here on the US dollar CAD. Mentioned levels both to the upside and the downside. So what we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart, see how price here developing. So over here on the daily chart, we get scale on here correct, and as we can see here on the daily chart, came down, found support in around 25.30, brief consolidation upwards, had a test of the 130, had a pullback down towards that 27.56, held support in around 27.56 before having a test of that 130 again, trading slightly above the 130 and above that 130.50, had a brief pullback, posted a higher relative low to the previous consolidation around 27.56 and around 28.39. After which we've had a slight bias to the long side despite the choppy price action. We've had a slight bias here to the long side. Prices have been slowly trending upwards, slowly heading due to there were quite a few frequent what do you say now? Quite frequent moves above the 130, but we were not able to close above from a daily chart perspective. Now, yesterday's candle did close above the 130 from a daily chart perspective. The bears weren't able to sell the market back down below the 130 at close, and from which we did see we are seeing that bullish buy side momentum continue here. So again, we're going to see a move up towards a 131 or possibly that 131.20, our previous swing high here from in 2018 so far. And again, price progression beyond which we did mention 31.88, and possibly from a daily chart perspective 32.54 may come into focus in the coming days or weeks. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.